Hello, my name is Dillan Savage of Ward Law Office, and I practice primarily in the Oklahoma City, Oklahoma area. Today we're going to be talking about information that you can bring with you or have on hand that will make your and your attorney's life easier when going and getting a paternity matter open. So for those individuals that are not aware of what a paternity matter is, a paternity matter involves two individuals that have had a child or children together, but they were not married at the time that the children were born. So in the state of Oklahoma, when this happens, the father is not automatically recognized as the parent, as the father of the child or children, due to the fact that they were not married, the parties were not married at the time of the child or children's birth. So in order to deal with this and make sure that the father has the rights and responsibilities as the father of the minor child or children, you would open a paternity case. You can do this when you are getting along, you're fine, there's no problems, or you can do this later on when there is an issue and there are arguments about custody and custodial time. So the court, during a paternity case, will adjudicate or otherwise find the father to be the father and entitled to those rights and responsibilities. So what should you bring with you? Let's get back to that. You should have the full name of each party, so the father and the mother. You should have the number of children in this paternity action, their initials, their dates of birth. You should also bring up the address of the parties so the attorney can kind of figure out the venue and jurisdiction. We need to make sure that you've lived in the state for 6 months or more and where the parties have resided for the last 30 days. Additionally, we need to know the address of the minor children for the last 5 years and who they've resided with. Again, just like with the parties, we're going to need to know at this current time where the children are residing as well. We need to know if the child or children are tribal. And then we are going to start going into child support. We're going to need to know the gross monthly income of at least our client. So bring that with you, whether or not it's tax returns or pay stubs. That is always going to be helpful for your attorney. Additionally, if there is, instead of Sooner Care, you have some type of health insurance that you pay for, bring that information with you as well. These are all going to make it an easier process for you. If there's already a child support case open, bring that case number with you as well. If you found this information to be helpful or you believe it can help someone else, please go to theoklahomacityattorney.com. My name is Dillan Savage, and thank you for watching.